To foster creativity, it's essential to expose ourselves to a diverse range of influences and seek inspiration from various sources. By expanding our horizons, we broaden our knowledge and bring fresh insights into our thinking process. 10. Embrace the power of imagination, 200 words. Imagination is the key to unlocking our creative potential. By harnessing the power of our imagination, we can envision new possibilities, transcend the limits of reality, and come up with innovative solutions. To foster creativity, we should allow our minds to wander freely, daydream, and explore the realm of the impossible. Embracing our imagination enables us to challenge existing norms and envision a world that is not bounded by constraints. 11. Practice mindfulness to enhance creativity, 200 words. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment and paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Incorporating mindfulness into our daily lives can enhance our creativity by allowing us to observe our thoughts and ideas with clarity. By cultivating a sense of mindfulness, we can tap into our intuitive wisdom and bring forth fresh insights, leading to more innovative ideas. 12. Embrace failure as an opportunity for growth, 200 words. Failure is an inevitable part of the creative process. Instead of fearing failure, we should embrace it as an opportunity for growth and learning. Every setback presents a chance to reassess our approach, learn from our mistakes, and refine our ideas. By reframing failure as a valuable learning experience, we can build resilience and become more comfortable taking risks, leading to greater creativity in the long run. 13. Embrace diversity and inclusion, 200 words. Diversity and inclusion play a crucial role in fostering creativity. When we embrace different perspectives, experiences, and backgrounds, we open ourselves up to a wealth of ideas and insights that can fuel our creativity. By valuing diversity and creating an inclusive environment where everyone feels heard and respected, we create space for innovative thinking. Embracing diversity encourages collaboration and allows us to challenge our own biases and preconceived notions, leading to more creative solutions that cater to a wider range of needs. 14. Break routine and embrace novel experiences, 200 words. To foster creativity, it's important to break away from our daily routines and seek out novel experiences. Routines can make our thinking stagnant, inhibiting our ability to think outside the box. By intentionally engaging in new activities, visiting unfamiliar places, or trying out different ways of doing things, we stimulate our brains and expose ourselves to fresh stimuli. These novel experiences can spark creativity by igniting our curiosity and pushing us to think differently. 15. Stay curious and never stop learning, 200 words. Curiosity is a driving force behind creativity, and to foster creativity, we must cultivate a lifelong sense of wonder and continuous learning. This involves staying curious and seeking knowledge in a wide range of subjects. By maintaining a growth mindset, we remain open to new ideas and possibilities, constantly expanding our knowledge and challenging our own assumptions. The more we learn, the more connections we can make, and the more innovative our ideas can become. 16. Create a safe space for experimentation, 200 words. To foster creativity, it's essential to create a safe space where experimentation is encouraged and mistakes are seen as learning opportunities. When individuals feel safe to take risks and explore unconventional ideas without fear of judgment or reprisal, they are more likely to unleash their creativity. Providing support and constructive feedback, rather than criticism, allows individuals to push boundaries and think outside the box with confidence. 17. Foster a growth mindset, 200 words. A growth mindset is essential for fostering creativity.